Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Noob Totem in Fish It game of Roblox Classic Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Classic Event Update has been released in Fish It, and there is a new island which is called the Classic Island. You need to go to this island first if you want to get the Noob Totem. I'm already here, guys. If you are at the Fisherman Island, you can use the teleport feature. And then you're going to find this epic guide. Talk to him to view the shop. And here is where you can buy the Noob Totem. But you need to have 5k Tix coins. Okay, you cannot buy the Noob Totem with your coins. I mean the original coins in Fish It, but you need to buy it with Tex coin, and you can farm the Tex just by fishing at the Classic Island. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Noob Totem in Fish It game of Roblox Classic Event Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!